we'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox file request. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Files option. Next, you'll notice a tab at the top that says File Requests. Click on that. Now, you'll see a button that says New Request. Click on this to start creating your file request. You'll need to give your request a name, so make it descriptive enough that the recipients will understand what files you need. For example, if you're collecting photos from an event, you might call it Event Photos Submission. Below that, there's a space to add a brief description if you want to give more context or specific instructions. After naming your request, you'll see an option to choose a folder where these files will be saved. You can select an existing folder or create a new one specifically for this request. Once you've set the folder, click on Next. Now, you have the option to share the request via a link or send it directly through email. If you're using a link, just copy it and share it through your preferred communication method. If you're emailing it, just enter the email addresses of the people you want to request files from. They don't even need a Dropbox account to send you files, which is super convenient. After you've set everything up, click Create and your file request is live. People can now send you files just by following the link or the email invitation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.